Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to turn off dark mode on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Press on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get dark mode. Then press on off icon like this. Now you will find that you already turn off dark mode as shown. Now we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to turn off dark mode on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.